This AI tool from Google creates all of your social media campaigns for you for free. In the next 2 minutes, I'll show you how to turn your YouTube channel into professional marketing content, just like this. I'm going to show you a small secret, or a big one, that I actually use in marketing campaigns. YouTube creators have a lot of difficulties, lack of expertise, and lack of time to do the marketing campaigns right. So I stumbled upon a very cool marketing AI assisted tool that is created by Google and actually is available for free at the moment, and is called Pomeli. Pomeli generates non-brand content for your business. Visit Pomeli at Google Apps. You enter your website URL, and in this case, we'll enter your YouTube page. We'll review the brand profile, and then you can actually select the campaign goal. If you want like social media posts or an ad for selling something, or to increase subscribers, I don't know. You just select your campaign goal, and then it will, after a couple of minutes, generate assets. And those assets, you can actually refine those assets and export them in the right format for what you want to do. And this is a big advantage, since using Canva, you have sometimes a little bit of difficulty. If you want to do, for instance, Instagram Reels, put on TikTok, and do shorts, like put your information in vertical position. So now, let's go and meet Pomeli. So you go to labs.google.com/Pomeli, and then let's get started. This is the number one trick. And the number one trick is, you see here, that's the Google account. The Google account for the YouTube page that you want Pomeli to process should be the same. If you put here another email and you try to access your YouTube channel, it won't work, and I will show you that. Here, this is my email that is associated with my YouTube channel that I want Pomeli to evaluate. I just click here, let's go. I'll put ABCs of Gen AI. By the way, please subscribe because the channel is growing. I'll also put like a Ko-fi link. So if you want to help me to fund my videos, I will really like that. So this is the ABCs of Gen AI page, and you just go here, you put again https YouTube ABCs of Gen AI, and then you can actually continue. It will analyze your website, and here it is. So by analyzing my website business channel, he's checking the visual and aesthetic, he's picking the brand fonts, he's pulling images, he's putting everything together. Will take more or less about 5 minutes to do so. So this is the business DNA that I have. It's actually pretty good. The fonts, the brand values, and then you can actually redefine those images that are not right. For example, you just click on those images that are not associated with your brand and does not make sense for some other reason, and you take that off because we'll mess a little bit with the output of the generative creative ideas. Remove that and then click apply. I think this actually looks pretty good, and here I have. And you can do, for example, a campaign to increase the number of subscribers, and click on generate ideas. Don't forget that small businesses are 90.9% of all businesses in the US, which, well, marketing tools are really important because we lack time and expertise to do that. So, for example, let's see, I went to a campaign to increase the number of subscribers. So I'll click on my campaign, and you can use like all of the images that appear here. You can use some of them, just one or two, and it's actually pretty good. 3 ways to use AI today. That's the campaign. It's not perfect. Let's go back to campaigns, maybe a think this one. Let's check that out. Okay, I think this is really good. So your AI journey starts here, then feeling lost in the AI code, etc. Replace the code with curiosity, and then become AI capable now. Here's my logo. So okay, let's use this one. This is not really nice, but you can actually change that for this one, for example, and will automatically redo the layout. Okay, become AI capable now. Get clear practical knowledge you need to utilize Gen AI in your professional life. And if I want to increase the number of subscribers, I can put like a call to an action. Wow, isn't actually pretty good, because this is associated with the campaign that I wrote to generate new creatives. Again, go to the campaigns again. I wrote campaign to increase the number of subscribers. And then, so here's a series of creatives to post for this campaign. I might use all or just one. For example, this one is pretty great. You can also have, if you want to download, okay, there's the option to save, cancel, but what I wanted to show you is this. Here, you can duplicate these creative, they call these images creative, so you can duplicate the image to the same size. But what is important here is sometimes you need the feet dimension, and will generate that. I'll also a square. This is where sometimes I struggle with Canva if I want to adapt what I have. So this is really good, and I hope you can use too for your YouTube channel. Now, don't forget that if you change the email associated with your YouTube channel to another one, I don't know if this is for security, which is pretty good, but you can see. I'm going to use, this is where I was, just to show you the difference. And I will put, for example, this one that I use for testings. I have a different email that is not associated with my account. I'll put my channel, that's public. And here, and you'll see that after 5 minutes, is broken. You see, you can have access to the screenshot of the business website. You don't have access to a lot of images, and you don't also have the right brand fonts or the business DNA. I don't know if anyone out there has tried this, but I think it's pretty cool, because as a content creator, you really need a lot of marketing. And I think Pomeli can actually be a great option. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget, become AI capable now with ABCs of Gen AI, and to subscribe. Thank you for watching this.